using the Advanced Scheduler at the bottom of the Pixel Dancer app screen. Look towards the bottom of the Pixel Dancer app near the middle. You'll see a button called Scheduler. Tap on this button to bring up the Advanced Scheduler. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Schedule 1 at the top of the screen. Then select the schedule that you'd like to create. In this example, we'll use Schedule 4. Now tap on the pencil icon in the upper left-hand corner in order to edit the name so it doesn't say Schedule 4, it says something more appropriate. We're going to call this schedule Valentine's Day because we're making a schedule for Valentine's Day. Next, we can select the date that we'd like the schedule to start. February 15th is the date that Valentine's falls every year, so we're just going to select February 15th. Now we need to set the time that we'd like the schedule to start. I'd like the schedule to start at 5 p.m., which is 1700 military time, and then I'd like it to run for 5 hours. That'll shut it off at about 10 o'clock p.m. Scroll down and click on Select Animation. There are 8 possible animation slots. Select Color Wave 1 to create your first effect. Now if this is going to be the only effect in your schedule, just type in 1440. I intend to have 3 different effects, so I will set this for 60 minutes. For the first animation, I will just use the default Valentine's Day preset colors. Next, click on the words Color Wave below the color palette in order to select an effect that you desire. For this particular animation, I would like the colors to just be a straight color pattern, so I'm going to select Fixed Colors. Now use the slide bars to adjust the settings of the effect. I'm going to turn the brightness all the way up. I'm going to turn the spacing up just a little bit. Now all you need to do is scroll down, press Save Animation, and your first animation is saved. Now let's make our second animation. Scroll back up to animation 1 of 8 and change it to 2 of 8. You're going to set the amount of minutes that the second animation will run for 60 minutes, the same as the first one. This time we're going to click on the color palette screen. That way we can select custom colors instead of using a preset color palette. Tap on the color wheel, press the plus symbol, tap on one of the color options on the right side, press the plus symbol, whatever you'd like. Select the color palette that you would like to be in this animation. Swipe down to lock in the color selection. Just like the previous animation, now we're going to select an effect, and then we're going to use the slide bars to adjust the settings to exactly how we want that effect to play. Now click Save Animation, and let's create the third animation. This animation, I plan on using an effect called Pulsate, which is going to be a little flashy, so I'm only going to have this animation run for 10 minutes. The previous animations have been set for an hour each. This third animation is set for 10 minutes. Which means that the entire schedule has a 5-hour schedule. It will repeat after the 2 hours and 10 minutes of the first 3 animations, and it'll just recycle those animations until the 5-hour limit has been reached. If you wanted to see what the animation will look like on the animation that you have selected, just press the preview button and it will play that animation. If you wanted to watch the entire schedule, you could press the Play Schedule at the bottom of the screen. That will play animations 1, 2, and 3. You can make as many as 8 animations per schedule.